Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen like so, and then in this area right here, swipe down again. This will extend the list of visible toggles, revealing the Do Not Disturb mode. Now when you see it first time around, I recommend holding it and then clicking on details, and this will quickly take you to the settings. In here you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. I recommend going over this at least once to see how it is set by default, at least, obviously changing things that you may not like. And once you've done so, you can close this up, find the toggle once more, and this time around just simply tap on it. You can choose if you want to turn it on permanently, and you will need to then remember to turn it off, or you can set it up on a timer. You can change it, and then it will run for a specified amount of hours. Click on turn on, and that's it. Now you can also turn it off before that timer runs out, or obviously if you didn't use the timer and select it until you turn it off instead, you can turn it off by just tapping on the toggle like so. So, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.